Elephant Discovery, Chiang Mai.
Chiang Mai. Look.
We're at Elephant Discovery. We've been walking for a while, and here we are.
Walking with the elephant.
Walking.
My God, they are so tall.
Each one.
Walking with the elephant.
Walking with the
God, they are so tall.
Each one has a trainer. He looks happy.
Babe.
Huh?
The French elephant was before the...
Yeah, like I said earlier, he said the water is really low. Got to come here during the winter. We lived on. We got a creek you could drink out of. In fact, my
You really
hometown.
didn't get the head of the...
And now it's time to play. Oh, he likes it. Make your fingernails bleed. Hi. We can always hope for one more banana, right? Oh!
Oh, stop, 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 stop. Stop, stop.
What do you got? Food.
Oh, the
me
water
see.
is from...
Oh, simple banana.
The water is from there?
Oh, cool. Hey, Giselle. Giselle.
Yeah, it's full. There's a poop. Oh.
Get in there. You got it made, don't you? Oh, you don't. Check him out. Watch it, it's a snake. Gonna bite you.
Wait.
Oh, sorry.
No.
There it is.
When you go to the river, always food and tea.
We call those floaters.
Floating. From the baby.
I'm also the other side,
He looks happy.
Babe.
Huh?
Going there.
Oh, water's quite low, isn't it?
Yeah.
What time of year is it high?
In raining. In July.
The fence elephant, that's before the
Yeah, like I said earlier, he said the water is really low. Got to come here during the winter. We lived on. We got a creek you could drink out of. In fact, my
You really
hometown.
didn't get the head.
So now,
Get the head. Oh, you're done.
they're all around. I don't think you want to get smashed in between them. They probably wouldn't even know you were there. Uh-oh. Time for dirt. Get rid of them mosquitoes. Go ahead, I'm just shooting. It's just video. I get rid of most of it anyway. Got to stay away from the dirt. And you will take a shower after this. We just walk home together, right? Just me and you? Hmm? Oh! Pretty big hill. Now this is fun. You know that? He walks pretty fast. Going home, huh? He missed him. And this is the behind. Can't get any closer.
That is a gang guy.
The fun part of the day is over. He gets one more. Afternoon play in the water. The time is 11:15. We got here before everybody, about 9 o'clock. Discovery elephant. Can't really be much better than this. To keep the fire burning.
From here, we will go to the White Temple.
To keep the smoke on the people. To keep the gigantic, the mosquitoes are the size of a honeybee, and that's why the elephant has to go down, throw dirt on himself, because they can penetrate his hide. Rice in a banana leaf.
We have it in our
Lemongrass for the bugs. Really. It smells like the bugs should come eat the lemongrass. Chicken and rice.
I think you need to wait.
So the chicken's right here. The other end. Oh, he wants banana. He didn't want none of this. He's, man, I don't want that green leafy salad. He's nice and warm.
Bo. Ah! Inside
Put
the
it
bowl?
in. Put your hand in. Here. They give you the little one.
Little one? No.
Yeah.
No, not
No,
the
no.
little one.
Okay.
Bone, Linda, bone.
He's gonna steal it. I want it. I want it.
You can ask to.
Took my whole hand. Very soft.
Sure, I will shut the bowl.
I got her.
Again? Oh, you have very big mouth. Again. Oh.
Well, I felt that breeze.
You can say bone.
Bone. Ah. Oh my God. Very big mouth. Bone.
He's very soft, actually.
Bone.
Very soft.
We'll eat your camera, babe. Bone.
Man, he's got a whole mouthful of them. Better slow down, let him chew them.
Now chew it first.
Yeah, you got him. We got him. You're gonna get him.
Chew. Bone. Ah! Bone.
Hey.
Bone. Ah. Ayun, pet na bro.
Oh, that one was rotten. There we go. Really soft.
Very soft, yeah.
Look at it.
What about the
It scares me. It's really not dangerous. I mean,
Bone, mama.
Bone.
put your hand in there.
No more.
More for mama.
Mama ate a lot. Bone.
You might say we're close.
Oh my God. He gets lots. Bone. Ow! Mama eats many.
And we have a temple. I don't know if you can see it in the background. And we're on our way. There's the river. There's the fine bridge. It's got brand new cables. They had to carry these cables in here. That had to be a job. And then this is a temple that I just showed you. I guarantee you all of this has to do with the temple.
Yeah, like a meditation. You found?
No, maybe I dropped it somewhere.
And we have the most awesome bridge. Check it out. This is how we hold it up. You can see those are probably abandoned. The old bridge. This is the new bridge. That's dang electrical wire. Gotta use anything you can use. Now this is the dry season, and people are now, this is the dry season, but they're still doing the rafting thing here. They went by, you probably see it on my video. But, and I'm sure it's a lot of fun during the rainy season, maybe even too much water, I'm sure at times. And that was a lot of fun. Discovery, elephants.
Elephant discovery.
Chiang Mai.
Chiang Mai. Elephant discovery.
And we're off. And they have the rafting with 3 pretty girls.